A raid by the police and forest department's jumbo team in the empire of nationalist forest mafias in Bishalgarh Murabari, large quantities of timber and logs were confiscated. The operation led by Additional Superintendent of Sepahijala, Rajib Sutradhar. The operation was led by Additional Superintendent of Police of Sepahijala, Rajib Sutradhar, along with Bishalgarh Station House Officer Bijay, officials from the Sepahijala District Forest Department and personnel from the Central Paramilitary Force CRPF and TSR Jawans. From the source, it is reported that the state-sponsored bandit is currently involved in several cases, including those related to firearms. Although the police are thoroughly investigating him, they are doing so in a dramatic manner. It is also reported that many local leaders have their hands extended in blessings upon this bandit. On this day, officials from the Sepahijala Forest Department were somewhat afraid to raid the bandits' hideout initially, but later, with the assistance of the Sepahijala District Police and Central Paramilitary Forces, they conducted the raid. The Forest Department officials rescued several crores worth of forest resources and seized the smuggled goods, then brought them to the Forest Department office. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.